Okay, this is Advent of Code 2020, Day 4, Part 1. In this puzzle, you will receive a passport file, and passports are separated by blank lines, which means enters. And each passport record has fields, like ECL means eye color, where's it gone? There. PID means passport ID, and so on. We have to see if a passport is valid, which means it has all 8 fields, or it can miss the CID field only. So I think the first thing we'll have to do is separate it on new line. So we'll get our puzzle input, copy, cargo new day 4, cargo new day 4, cat to input.text, paste, and we got code open already, code dot, yay, open main. So the first thing we're going to do is read the input file. So we'll need, what do we need to read the input file? Read the string. Standard, not use standard fs read to string. Let input equals read to string input.text. Now we could just go .unwrap to ignore the error, but we won't. We'll just do question mark, and we will import anyhow, which is a cool crate. So we're going to return anyhow result with nothing inside it. That'll do. And then we want to go back to day 4 and go cargo add anyhow, and that's added it to cargo.toml. There it is at the bottom there. Next we need to split it on the enter, so we just go input, we put here dot split new line, so that gives us the records. Great. Then we need to split the records into fields. Okay, split the input into passport records, split each record into fields because they are dot map. So each record or passport record dot split. No, it's a Y space split or something. ASCII Y space split. That's brilliant, and that will split it into fields, and it will give us an iterator over fields. Then I guess we need to turn each field into a vec. I guess we need to find out what each field is to see if it has that. What is the one that's allowed to miss is PID, I think. It is CID. Okay. So we could just say each field, if it starts with CID, then it's that field. Okay, so then we can go dot filter. We'll filter out. Okay, we'll just make a function. Yeah, okay, we'll just go like this. We'll go, first we want to count CID fields, and then we'll count all the fields. So we'll put it in a vec dot collect, and we'll just tell it what to put it in. We'll put it in a vec of string references. So now we've got a record, count the records. So we'll go dot filter. These are the fields in the record, which is the vec of strings. So we first want to go fields dot, okay, has CID. We'll go let has CID equals fields dot iter dot find. You know what, we don't even need to do that. We've got to count. If fields dot len equals 8, because a valid record will have 8 fields. It says here all 8 fields are present. Yep. return true. We want to count that. Otherwise, we can use a match statement. Match fields dot len. So we will use 8 returns true, 7 returns. We've got to find that, see if the CID field is present. So we go fields dot iter dot filter field dot starts with CID that. I guess that's it, right? Dot filter dot find. That's it. You just need to find it. If we find it, I think that's the right word. No, it's not the right function. I need something like contains. I think contains. Nope. Find. Can we give a, what will it will return an option? Oh, so we go find dot. I think it's any. I think any is the word I'm looking for. Any. Yeah. So if anything matches, starts with CID, that's the result. If there's 7 fields, and none of them are CID, so not, the opposite of any. None of them are CID, then it's valid. Anything else, not valid. That's it. And then we just got to count them. That's pretty easy. We'll just put let valid record count equals that. I think I missed something. That there. Okay, and that's a usize, and then we just go println day 4 part 1 valid records equals valid record contu. Let me just change that to count, and up there. Right, that should do the trick. Let's run it. Or not. Mismatch delimiter, unclosed delimiter, so the any in line 14 is not closed. Now it is. Run. And here they expected a semicolon. Fair enough. Thank you, Rust, for the nice error messages. I guess it's to zoom in so that everyone can see. And now a local variable with a similar name exists fields I type fillets. Now run 226. Valid records 226. That looks good to me. Let's try it out. 226. Submit. Yeah, I did already complete it. I'm sneaking in. Yay! That's awesome. We did it. End recording.